So right now I'm trying to replace this dual USB port with the single one that I bought. Hopefully the connectors are the same. But to get at it, you can't just pry at it. You have to actually take this whole center console part out, which is this part right here, and the back, and this whole area back here. To do that, you have to remove this carpet looking thing right here. There are two bolts in there. Get those out, and then you pry on this area right here, pull it up. There's one screw right here. I've already removed it. And then after that, you can actually start just pulling it up. So there's what I need back there. So to remove the USB module, I have to stick a screwdriver right here. Back there, you can get a screwdriver and remove this brown piece. That way the center console can go up more. You can actually look at it. Here's what the OEM one looks like. Then I'll compare it with the other one. Here are the part numbers. I think this is like 70 bucks if you bought it new. I got this off of eBay, new open box for about 20 bucks. So this was a great deal. There might be some people online who actually want to trade their single port for your dual port. I know someone wanted to, but I just ended up buying the second one here. Together, you want to make sure these line up properly. There are small divots in there, so if you were to put it in like this direction, they wouldn't line up. Let me try to focus on it. Yeah, and it won't actually snap in, so you have to make sure that these little clips in there line up properly. There. These are connected. This USB cable actually runs over to the head unit area, and I have installed this XAV AX100, which supports Carplay and Android Auto. But right now what I'm using for the time being was this. I was just running this out of the glove box. Now I can actually just connect it straight using the AX SUB USB adapter. Let me find it. So this is the AX SUB adapter. It's got the Subaru connector on one end. It's got the USB on the other end, and this plugs into the head unit. So this is the Scosche dash kit, not their Metro one, and this actually fits a lot better than all the other ones I've ever seen before. Let's see if we can take it apart. So now that I have my dash kit removed, we can go ahead and start installing the USB adapter. So this is the USB header that usually goes to the stock head unit. We're going to be installing this harness. Okay, I have a standard USB cable. Of course, I just need to grab that USB cable from here. Okay, just got it connected. Now it should work, so we're going to do a quick test again.